Hello, my name is Chandeep Chhabra and I'm an Excel and Power BI content creator and a consultant based out in India. I've been at the Global Excel Summit for the last 2 years and I absolutely love the event. So here's a little story. Every single year when I come back from the Global Excel Summit, my mother asks me this one question, and the question is something like this: did they like your presentation? And I have just one answer to give it to my mother. If they like my presentation enough, they are going to call me the next year as well. And guess what happened at my presentation this year? I actually won the Best In-Person Presentation Summit Award. This is a very, very big thing for me. And I'd like to thank Tia and Elena for giving me this opportunity to be on the stage and present my ideas to hundreds and thousands of people around the world. And to the amazing friends that I have made at the Global Excel Summit for the last 2 years, I absolutely have an incredible time with you during the summit. If you're planning to be at the summit the next time, I would love to meet you in person. See you around.